Coming in with the BMW. We're about to go on and hook this one up again. We got the air conditioning going on it. We're about to check engine light on. We're about to take care of this one next. We're gonna fix all of the inside door handles. This one is for sale. So I tell you what, if you're interested, put like on the post. Selling at a reasonable price. All the work been done on it. Axles, brakes, no check engine light, no oil leaks, ready for out of town. Brand new stereo system, and also it has amplifier, low mileage, brand new tires. If you want it and you ready, put like to this. We'll sell it to you at a reasonable price. Over and out.